Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your home. Imagine this. You can get paid just for reading emails. Yes, you heard that right, $2 for each email you read. Sounds intriguing? Stick around, because in this video, I'll be sharing how you can tap into this opportunity and earn money worldwide. First off, let's talk about how this all works. Companies and brands are always looking for ways to get their products and services in front of more eyes. One effective way to do that is through email marketing. But to make sure their emails are appealing and effective, they need feedback. That's where you come in. Many companies are willing to pay you to read their emails and provide your insights. You'll be helping them improve their marketing strategies while earning money in the process. How cool is that? So how exactly can you earn $2 for reading an email? Here's the process broken down into simple steps. The first step is to join platforms that offer paid email reading opportunities. There are several reputable sites out there, and I'll share my top recommendations later in this video. Once you're signed up, you'll start receiving emails from companies that want your feedback. Open the emails, read them, and then give your opinion. Some platforms might ask you to fill out a short survey or give a star rating. After completing these tasks, you'll earn money. The payment usually comes through PayPal or direct deposit, depending on the platform. It's as simple as that. Now, you might be wondering which platforms are legit and worth your time. Here are some of the best options. This is one of the most popular platforms where you can earn money by reading emails. They have a variety of other tasks too, like taking surveys and watching videos. Similar to Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks offers points for reading emails that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. You can earn points by reading promotional emails, which can then be exchanged for gift cards or PayPal cash. This platform pays you for reviewing music and emails. It's a bit different, but still a fun way to earn. While primarily a survey site, they occasionally offer opportunities to read and provide feedback on emails. To maximize your earnings from reading emails, here are some handy tips. Sometimes, emails from these platforms might end up in your spam folder. Regularly check it to ensure you don't miss out on opportunities. Set aside a specific time each day to check your emails and complete tasks. Consistency is key to increasing your earnings. Providing thoughtful feedback can sometimes earn you bonuses or additional tasks. Consider combining this with other online earning opportunities, like surveys or watching videos, for more income. Keep track of which platforms you're using and how much you're earning from each one. This will help you focus on the most lucrative options. Now, let's address some common myths surrounding paid email reading. I can get rich just by reading emails. While it's a great way to make some extra cash, it's not going to replace a full-time income. All platforms are scams. While there are some scams out there, the platforms I mentioned are reputable and have been around for years. It takes too long to make money. If you stay consistent and engage with the content, you can earn a decent amount over time. Let's take a look at some real-life success stories. She started with Inbox Dollars and was able to make an extra $200 in her first month just by reading emails and completing surveys.